Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to Dr. Bear Show. And yeah, I'm done with the Beyblade X Marathon, but I still have some different Beyblades here, which they've been here for almost a year already. And yeah, I have a video of that, which I bought different kinds of Pegasus in the Metal Fight. Am I right? Metal Fight or Metal Fusion Beyblade? Yep. But yeah, these are the fake ones. So I know I've already unboxed, spin test, and test battles with other of these Beyblades. So yeah, for this time I will have here and introduce to you this is your fake Astro S Pegasus 105RF. I don't know if that's the real name because yeah, as you know, this is a bootleg one. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will not talk about the box because we know it's bootleg. We just go on to the Beyblade itself. Let's go. And yeah, that's how fast it is. Okay, so here the Beyblade. Yeah, this is the blade or whatever. I don't know the terms on the Beyblade Metal Fusion. Yeah, I bought them because I just really like the design. So I don't watch it too much because I think when this Beyblade was existing or on the anime, when it's anime, I'm already at college maybe. Yeah, that would be because college or 4th year high school maybe. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I don't have so much time on watching it. Yeah, but I know this goes out on our local channel here in the Philippines, which is the ABS-CBN. But I didn't watch it because yeah, again, I don't have so much time because I'm already high school or maybe 1st year college or 2nd year college already. So yeah, this is the blade. Yeah, I still call it a blade. Okay, and these are some of the parts. I don't know how to do it, how to use it because yeah, again and again, I'm not so familiar with the yeah, what should I do here? I don't know, but yeah, let me okay, now I find it. Yeah, and I use this one because I already have this kind of metal, and yeah, they do something. I don't know if it's good or not because yeah, but this one is a little bit heavier than the other things that I have here. It will combine here on this part. I'm not so good in using this. But yeah, let's go. And yeah, it's like different on the illustration also in the box. So much for that. It also has its own winder, launcher winder. Okay, so it's like this. Am I right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so to see the performance of this one, let's go and let's have our other Beyblade Metal Fusion. And as I know, I only have one. Yeah, I only have one. And where is that one? It's lost. Yeah, I will find it. Okay, let's get first our stadium. Let's go. Okay, so now we have here. And yeah, that's our stadium. Let me focus my camera first. Oh yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the stadium that I'm using. And yeah, the typical stadium, and as I know, is a stadium used for burst, but also can be used for Metal Fusion also. Yeah. So yeah, we have here our Pegasus, and where is that box? Yeah, this box, the Astro S Pegasus 105RF, and it is a bootleg one, and this is the only remaining one, which is also a Pegasus, but I don't know what it is already. Yeah, because I forgot. It's already been a year. Okay, so yeah, let's try to have a battle with these two. Yeah, so how can I do this? So put this one right here. Oh, first, before we have a battle, let's have a spin test first. Let's have a spin test. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so let's have a battle. It's so boring. Okay, let's go. So let's have a battle with this and then the other Pegasus also. Okay, ready? We don't go. Okay. And we don't go shoot. Let's see. Yeah, that's the movement. And not unlike the Beyblade X that we know already, that it's very exciting because the movements are very aggressive, but this one is, yeah, that's like just like that. Okay, okay. Okay, and who will win? Oh yeah. So the other Pegasus, the orange one, wins. Okay, so let's try to have the first launch is the orange one, then the red one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Stays out with the opponent, the yellow of the orange one. Oh! Ooh. That's a great scrape. So I don't know if the red can have a comeback for that. I think it's not. And out of spin. And yeah, the paints are already chipping. You know that it's just paint. It's not the metal itself. Okay, so another play and last one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's so strong. Okay, just have a fight there. Yeah. So is this how a metal fight fights? Okay, so we'll win on this one. Don't say that the winner will still be that orange one. Okay, and wow, wow! I'm so indulged in Beyblade X, and I get so boring on this game because yeah, it's so boring for me. Okay, so yeah, that's our Astro S Pegasus 105RF, and I don't know who is the owner of this one. And you can see they call it Manipulator, but yeah, again, this is a bootleg or a fake one. So yeah, just for collection and just for fun. Okay, not for those having competitions. Okay, so if you want just to play it, then have it. But if you don't want it, then don't want it, don't get it. Okay, so this is it, your Astro S Pegasus 105RF. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah, I will still go for the Beyblade X. Yeah, I bought this before the Beyblade X comes out because I want to try and to start Beyblade. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Yeah, and this is from Rapidity. Okay, the very famous faker of Beyblade on the past. And I think until now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.